They're not gonna finish.
If you were gonna forget anything, that's probably the best.
Oh my God, look to the east. Look at that. There's 3. Wow. Those are 2 big, I think, good ducks out beyond the decoys.
Yeah, pretty
Oh,
big.
2 more big ones. Oh my gosh. Oh, teal on my side. Oh, here, these 2. What do you think? Holy crap.
I see 3.
These 3, what do you think? Oh my God, I cannot believe you didn't say take those. That was a perfect shot. Big duck on top. I think that's, oh, there's another big duck setting. Damn. I hit that one, it's going down. Boy. Here's 2. Right into the decoys. Did you hit him?
I missed it, I think.
Oh, you sure? I thought he... Boy.
Right there, right there.
Oh, come on. Can't hit the broadside of a barn. You're single right in... Oh no, that's a coot. Are all these ducks coots? Here's a deal. Or something else. Oh, come on. Oh my God. These 2 teal right in front. Right in front. Take them. Oh, here, come right up. Oh, come on. That was right. Nice shot.
We are gold.
What?
We are gold.
Here's a couple of teal out front. 5. Coming right in. Oh. Coming right behind our head. Nope, they flared off again. I'm... Oh, yeah, yeah. That's right. That was too close. Eclipse Drake. My all Drake limit is intact. There's like hundreds down back in there. Oh, here's one. Coot? Yeah, coot.
3.
I guess you. Got greedy. Should have stick with my singles. I should have let that one go and taken one of the other ones.
Sorry.
Something like that. Here's a single, my side. Oh, come on. Oh, the nerve. Make me waste 2 shells and then hit it when I was going to say it was too far. Those are spoons. Those are spoons.
Sorry. That was the hen, I think.
Where'd the sprig go?
He kept going.
Oh, right. Oh.
These two are kind of sitting together. These two sprig.
I think so. That other sprig is coming back around again. Oh, yes! I had this moment of panic right before. I was like, is he too far? Oh, God. Oh, just best shot of the day. Oh. God, if you had pulled up after I'd...
Shit.
Oh, yes. Look at that. Well, that makes it worth the walk, doesn't it? Wow! Does that thing have a band? You still have your headlamp on. Oh, man. You gotta be kidding me. Where was that? Did he pop up?
Yeah.
Or you saw him on the pond?
I saw him on the pond. I think I saw him on the pond. I saw the tail butt of him. And looking like this, I'm looking, I thought, that is a mallard. And I went down like this, and just I got like this much, he went, and a bang, bang, and dropped it right there.
I... Try one more. Jack, would you like a duck heart? Hey, Jim.